Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot today on a Vivaldi 2. Change the vacuum breaker as well as a little tune-up. See, you're pumping right at 9 or 10 bars. Really nice shot coming out. Stop just a little early. Check the steam. Nice strong steam. Some water. Should ask for some water. There it goes. Anyway, thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.